The riparian zone is the vital transition area from land to rivers. This area is responsible for keeping the river clean by blocking runoff and stopping the erosion of soil. A key component of this area is the riparian buffer. The riparian buffer is vegetated area around a river which acts to provide habitat, block impacts from surrounding lands and stopping erosion. The buffer at the place we visited, Cromarty Wetlands, was not faring so well. Low rain over the summer with hot temperatures has caused the death of many of the plants, weakening the riparian buffer, but the vegetation which is native and grown around the river is used to the rain cycles of Queensland, surviving even in summers of dryness. The river at Cromarty is directly against swamp areas which holds cattle. Healthy riparian buffers should be roughly 10 to 30 metres wide on either side of the river as to prevent runoff from entering the fragile river systems. It is also essential for livestock to not be allowed into the riparian zones as to not destroy the vegetation by trampling and feeding. These buffers are essential where river systems are near farms using fertiliser. When fertiliser seeps into a river, it produces algal blooms rapidly, which depletes oxygen from streams, killing all organisms. Even when pollution reaches the riparian buffers, the flora works to slow the flow of surface water, which effectively means that more water is drained into the soil. A lot of these pollutants, such as fertiliser, act as a strong source of nutrients to the plants in the riparian buffer. Another major purpose of the vegetation in the zone around the river is to minimise erosion. This is important to keep the buffer area stable and to support the wildlife, because even in the vegetation, clear signs of habitation exist. Riparian buffers provide streams with the foundation to support a healthy aquatic ecosystem, minimising the effects of surrounding land use.